Hey everybody, here comes another video about, you guessed it, the staff. I promise this is the last video about the staff. We're going to see the staff in every video that we're going to do, but this will be the last one specifically about the staff. So just bear with us for a little bit here. A lot of confusion around this last point that we're going to present here in this video. Each staff has 5 lines. There's a few exceptions to that in percussion. Occasionally we'll see a 1-line or a 2-line staff in percussion. Every other staff we're going to run into is going to be a 5-line staff. The difficulty arises when people confuse the number of lines on the staff with the number of staves, which is plural for staff, the number of staves per page. We have to be able to identify the first staff on a page versus the second staff versus the third staff. And there are sheets of music that could have as many as 10 or 12 staves on a page. So we have to be able to identify that. If a conductor or a musical director were to tell the group to start on the 3rd line, they're not talking about the 3rd line of the staff. They're talking about the 3rd line of staves. Let's see this laid out right in front of us right now. So this is the highlighted version of the 3rd line of a staff. This is the highlighted version of the 3rd staff on a page. And the difference there can create a lot of confusion within an ensemble. A lot of times an ensemble will not start together simply because people think they're in a different spot from where they're really supposed to be. The homework for this video is pretty simple. You'll find attached a page of just blank staves. And what I would like you to do is highlight the first line of the 2nd staff. And in another color, highlight the 4th staff. Catch the difference? We'll find out. Good luck.